to our collective cherished highest ideals. I just feel this sense of overwhelming joy. You know, the greatness of America, it wasn't because we all prayed the same or looked the same. People who were losing faith in America that we can be who we say we are. My mom should be on the Supreme Court. The arc of the moral universe is long and it bends towards justice. Faith that we will achieve a nation of liberty and justice for all.
Mr.
Booker,
what you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.